Good morning, library friends. But I think let's start off with Early Bird. This is by Tony Yulee, and we are hearing it courtesy of Macmillan Publishing. There we go. There's Early Bird sleeping in their nest. Snoring underneath the moon. Early Bird likes to wake up early. It's still so dark out. Look, there's the moon, a little crescent moon, and the stars are still out. Let's count how many stars. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stars all around Early Bird. She stands as tall as she can. Can you stand as tall as you can? Nice and straight. Put your shoulders back. She takes a deep breath. Let's all take a deep breath together. And one more. Doesn't that feel good? She takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. And then Early Bird gets going. Who do you see peeking over the horizon here? I see the sun. And look, if we go back a little, first it was really dark and there were stars and moon. And then it got a little lighter and the sky got a little lighter. And a little lighter still. And now it's starting to be morning, isn't it? Time for Early Bird to get going. She's going to go across the grass, past, who do you see there? I see 1, 2, 3 ladybugs. Here she goes across the grass. What do you suppose she's going across the grass for? Now she is going to go through the flower bed. Through the flower bed, hopping around all of those flowers. And I see 3 of another kind of bug. I see 1, 2, 3 bees going buzz. Can you buzz with me? Buzz. Now she's going to go under the spider web. She doesn't want to get caught in there. It's kind of sticky. Just one bug here. There's that spider watching her as she goes under the spider web. And now she is going to skip up the path. You can see the edges of the path here with some pretty pink flowers lining the path. And I see 3 of another kind of bug. Do you see them? Yes, that's right. 3 butterflies. 1, 2, 3. Off they go, up the path. She's peeking at us. She's peeking around the corner. Who does she see there? Yes, there's a gray kitty sleeping. Early Bird is up early, but that cat is not. Still asleep. Oh, and over the cat. She flies right over that cat, wakes him up, but not very much. He's just got one eye kind of partly open, still sleepy. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden where she finds... What do you think she finds? I think I see something that if I was a bird, I would like to find. Right here, maybe? Let's turn the page and see if she finds it. The early worm! There we go. It's breakfast for Early Bird. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. She's got that worm. So, she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together, they share an early breakfast. Look at that. They've taken a bite out of each of those 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3. Everybody's having breakfast. I thought that Early Bird was going to eat that early worm, but she didn't, did she? She shared her breakfast, and now they're singing a song. Maybe they're singing, "Good day, sunshine." The end. Apparently it pays to be the early bird. You get the early strawberry too.